My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Reuse tab. Reuse tab extension works as a typical adware. Our research team found the Reuse tab browser extension while researching various suspicious download websites. We installed this piece of software into our test computer and based on its description in Google Chrome, we can suppose that the extension promises to save visited URLs for easy access in the future. At least this is what the extension developers claim. But after analyzing Reuse tab's behavior, we found out that it functions as a typical adware. This adware displays some various advertisements on visited websites and through other interfaces. I'm going to install this extension on purpose, simply in order to let you know how to get rid of it after it was mistakenly installed. Speaking about the ads displayed by the extension, they promote online scams, untrustworthy or harmful web pages and software, and even malware. Some intrusive ads can stealthily download or install software upon being clicked. Therefore, if you have discovered that this particular extension was installed into your Google Chrome browser, make sure you remove it immediately. Access the menu of the browser. Now you need to click on More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find this particular extension in place, deactivate and remove the extension completely. To make sure that your device is free of any other concealed threats, we strongly advise that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin scanning and researching and investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.